Hi guys, Nick Moe here today from Work Supply Company. Today we have for you a 2007 Kubota L39 tractor, loader, backhoe. Is 3-point and 540 PTO ready. Has 540 PTO shaft and is ready to accept 3-point hitch arms. This is a really nice little workhorse tractor. It has the GST transmission, which is a glide shift transmission from Kubota. 4-wheel drive with R4 tires. Features a skid steer front quick attach. Will be a TL1000 front loader and the BT1000 backhoe attachment. So we're going to start you up here at the engine compartment. We're going to take you completely around this tractor. The tractor we've just had in the shop. We did a full service. Got all Kubota factory filters. Powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs great. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that. This did belong to one owner. Local retired firefighter bought this back in 07. Did some little jobs, and him and his wife sold their property, and I actually bought the tractor from him. We do a lot of private stuff. We like try to buy that kind of stuff from people. The thing I can say is right up front here, there is a couple dinges in the hood, and he had done that. We did not. He put a little spray on it, and I'm just being very honest there. The rest of the paint looks to be all original. Really a nice bucket, 72-inch with a bolt-on cutting edge, and you can see here the factory front edge is in beautiful, beautiful condition on both. 2 hooks have been added right here for lifting. Standard skid steer quick attach, which we've all had it apart, double-checked everything and greased everything. Again, whenever we say we service something, we went through it 110%. Front tires are down about 45%, rears are 75%. We're going to go and take you right back here to the backhoe attachment before we go to the operator station. Again, BT1000 backhoe attachment does have the nice rubber style street pads here, and then you can flip them down if you need more grip onto rough surfaces. 24-inch bucket on the back, does have full boom lock, and does have your locking pin for swivel lock is included here with it. A lot of times that stuff you won't find it, guys will lose it, but everything there is included. And this just has a simple latch style feature on here, okay, which works really nice. These are a little dig and full, really a powerful little backhoe. Up top, roof is nice, has 4-way kit, full light package all the way around. The only thing I can tell you we ordered for this and has not come in yet is a fan belt from Kubota. I went ahead and got one. Fan belt had a little crack in it, and whenever you start it, every once in a while the belt would squeal. And I just want everybody to be honest, we're going to put a brand new belt right on there from Kubota. We're going to take you up here to the operator station and show you all about this. So, tractor has a very simple, you pull up on that, swivels your seat around to go right to your backhoe, which is a really nice feature. One thing I did want to show here, back here, is what's called your rock shaft, 540 PTO. Right there, it's already ready to rock and roll. Heading up top, seats in excellent condition. GST transmission, it's going to give you 12 forward, going to give you 8 reverse. Shift on the fly style transmission, and you forward reverse right off your left-hand reverser here. You have a clutch pedal, you don't have to use it going forward and back. You have a tilt steering wheel, which is nice. Independent brake, throttle. You have a throttle back here front and backhoe, PTO. We'll kick her on here so you can see. 1,037 hours, back works. Everything there works very nice. You have a display mode. You can show you like miles per hour, PTO's off, that's your hours, fuel gauge, temperature gauge. A little cup holder, joystick control here for the loader. I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor back up, turn the camera back over to Matt. We're going to start her, run her around, and show you what she does. go. They work super smooth. Hope you can see her from the videos. Tractor starts, runs, works, does everything you ask it to do. GST transmission is something just like a power shift. You just keep bumping in the head into every gear you want to go, then you shuttle back and forth on your left-hand reverser. That is how these commercial series Kubotas were made, such as the L35, L39, I believe also L48s have that glide shift transmission. It works very, very well. Very solid transmission in these tractors. This is a workhorse of a tractor. If you're looking for something to do good heavy work and you don't want a cheap, chintzy little tinny tractor, this is something to truly look at. The skid steer quick attach, you can run forks, anything you want to on the front of this you can run on a skid loader. You've got a backhoe in the back, it'll dig like a fool. Really a nice equipped little tractor here. If you have any questions on this tractor, please call us. To replace something like this today, I'm sure it's probably $58,000. Keep in mind, this has no emissions. So, four-wheel drive, commercial grade, from a name you can trust, Kubota. We have 110% service this tractor. We've been through all filters and fluids. I guarantee this tractor to be 110%. When you receive it, I'm not out to sell junk and I don't want to cause anybody any problems. If you have any questions whatsoever, please call us, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Thank you very much for viewing Mark Supply Company. And again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. And as always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a good day.